The Elliott wave principle is the purest form of technical market analysis, yet it is not without its critics. One major criticism we hear a lot is that it is too subjective. Well, when you learn the wave principle, you find that it is, in actual fact, one of the most objective forms of analysis. Let's look at an example of how using objectivity enabled us to turn on a dime and capture a big move. The Swedish stock market index, the OMX, had a couple of Elliott wave structures that we were considering during February. We showed this chart in the European short-term update on the 21st of February and stated that only a drop below 1764 would cause the bull case to be brought into question. A drop below 1693 would engage the bearish alternate. That's because below 1693 this bullish wave count would have been completely, objectively invalidated. The OMX then started to decline, and with this chart on the 28th of February we stated that in the OMX, the drop below the old resistance support zone around 1764 brought the bull case into question, and the drop below 1693 has engaged our previous alternate count, whereby the entire rally from August 2019 was minor degree wave C. The Swedish market is now bearish against 1905. One reason why we were quite sure of the new bearish wave count stems from a guideline for flat corrections published in Frost and Prechter's Elliott wave principle of 1978, stating that wave B usually retraces between 100 and 138% of wave A. Well, in the OMX, the swift reversal lower had occurred from a point where wave B under this wave count equaled exactly a Fibonacci 138.2% of wave A. On the 6th of March, the European short-term update showed this chart, highlighting more evidence for a bearish stance, stating, "The bearish thesis in the OMX is gaining momentum. Notice that the old 2015 high has now acted as resistance again. The index is directly bearish against 1732. The subsequent collapse in the OMX was able to be captured by using the wholly objective rules of the Elliott wave principle, as well as employing a strong guideline. At this juncture, the OMX could very well be at another turning point, so stay tuned to the European short-term update to stay ahead of the herd."